folks, welcome to TNT Outdoors. Yes sir, and we have got Granger on this boat. Yeah, he said he wanted to catch some of these big fish, and boy, he has done hooked up on one. Yes sir. Ooh boy.
That's a big one.
Yes sir. Yes sir, that's a good one there, Greg. Hold on, let's get that dip net.
Right.
Oh, Greg, that's a good one, buddy.
That's a big one. It's a beauty.
That's a big one right there, yes sir.
It's a beauty.
Hold up on him, pull up. Just easy.
It's a
There
beauty.
you go, boy. Yes sir.
That's nice.
Woo, hold him there. There you go, Greg. Hold on. We'll take a photo of him there. There you go. Heck yeah. That's what it's all about right there, ain't it, cuz? He hadn't caught these fish since he was his boy's age. And by the way, folks, that's mallack Granger right there, boys. He has done caught one also. We didn't have the phone with us to video, but that's all right. We got it now, don't we, son?
Hey, you wanna look at it?
Huh? No, we'll take a picture of him after a while, and we'll post it up there on YouTube and on the TNT Outdoor Show. But we're gonna get you catching another one though. That's what we want. So, all right, folks. Well, y'all stay tuned. All right, folks. We got a double hook up here. Woo! There you go. Pulling real too, son.
Hey,
Oh, you give slack and you come off. Uh-oh. Well, Greg got his still.
my hook's gone.
Yep.
Guys, my hook's gone.
Huh? He popped your hook off. I'll be clear.
I had a big one too.
What about it, Greg?
He won't come in, son.
He doesn't want.
Dang, this is bigger than that other one.
Pulling real too. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Here, Mallack. Set your pole down, son. Dip that fish up for your daddy. All right, wait till he gets him on the surface. Ooh, that's a pretty one, Greg. Pull up on that pole. Keep pulling up. All right, Mallack, get ready. Wait, you're gonna get him on the surface. Wait, all right, scoop him. Look at that, you netted your first fish for your daddy.
That's a big one. It's a beauty.
Yes, sir, that's a good one there, Greg.
Always subscribe.
Them pliers is behind you there. There you go. You reach right on down there and pop that hook out. You're producing some Granger surgery there, folks.
How long we'll be done toward gill there.
Well, look, I'm going to show him how to get this hook out of this fish, y'all. Y'all stay tuned.